Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by updating your phone now. This prevents playback glitches. Open Settings and install Samsung Internet or Chrome if missing. Once done, enable background video permissions and turn on the browser's pop-up blocker to stop annoying overlays. You'll also want to disable battery optimizers for that browser so it won't kill playback in background. These steps are essential because they let the browser keep audio running even when the screen locks or you switch apps. You load YouTube, in your browser, and immediately request the desktop site. This gives you the classic player controls. Play the video, then press the home button or lock the device. Audio should persist if permissions and optimizers were configured. If audio stops, pull down the notification shade, find the browser's media controls, and press play. This works because the desktop player behaves like a persistent media source rather than the app's restricted mobile player. You finish by enabling picture-in-picture in app settings if your browser supports it. That keeps the video visible while you multitask. If playback stops or controls vanish, clear cache, and relaunch the browser. This often restores background media. Make sure battery saver is off and notification access is allowed. One key troubleshooting tip: if an ad keeps forcing focus back to the tab, reload and seek past the ad or open a new tab. That typically restores uninterrupted back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.